Welcome students of the exam classes. Welcome to this video about the exam of 2025 to be exact. And this is a reference to the reader called Staatsinrichting from the exam of 2025. And we're talking about history, to be exact, the reader Staatsinrichting. And we know that in 1915 that the oil refinery came, that it had huge consequences for society. The society was changed, it was reconstructed. The elite lost its role, its leading role, its dominant role, and we can find this on page 12 in the book. And I'll just flash some highlights out of it. So we see, hierdoor veranderde er veel in de contacten en omgang tussen de mensen onderling. A lot of things changed concerning the relationships and contacts between the people in society. For centuries in the colony, de blanke elite vrijwel ongestoord de baas geweest. So for centuries, the white elite had been the dominant force in society, had been the bosses, had been the people in charge. Door de veranderingen moesten ze aan macht inleveren. They had to hand in power. And this was a big change. Uit Nederland afkomstige ambtenaren gingen nu in overheidsbanen werken. So not white Judy Curaçao from Curaçao, but white people, mostly from the Netherlands, took the places in from the local elite. De blanken hadden altijd prima hun belangen kunnen behartigen. The whites had fought for their interests on a strong manner, by positions in the government and governance, and this became a lot more difficult now, to fight for their interests in government and on high positions, because instead of the old Judy Curaçao, there came Europeans who took their jobs. Dus uit Nederland afkomstige ambtenaren gingen nu in overheidsbanen werken in plaats van de lokale elite. En dit is als een gevolg van de komst van de raffinaderij in 1915. Yeah, that's a consequence of that. So we see that the Afro-Curaçaoans, their place in society changed, but also that of the elite. They lost their leading role, their dominant role they had for centuries. If you want to look at my YouTube, www.youtube.com/@meneer It's my YouTube name. I have a very handy folder. It's called CAP HAVO 3. Very handy to repeat the stuff that you missed or forgot, and also special exam documentaries folder. Goodbye.